Alright, so to do the meadow and the stream that we're going to add into here, we're going to start with the stream, just the blue. And so we're going to be using the same we did for the sky, kind of a Pacific blue with a light blue. And we're going to be using this brush, so we're just going to kind of block it in first and then spread out from it. So grabbing some of that darker blue, we're going to have it start right here. Come down, curve a little bit here, and then come down to the bottom and get a little bit larger. Adding a little bit of sky blue into here. And a little bit of white. Alright, that's just the basics. We're going to come back to that in just a minute. Now we want to add in the grass and the flowers. And so with that same brush, actually, what we're going to do is we're going to take this medium green, it's called a holiday green. We're going to mix that with a little bit of brown. And we're just going to spread that in here throughout the rest of this canvas, going right up to the trees. This is going to be our base layer. Alright, we'll take some more of that medium green. We're going to mix it with a bit of yellow to add in a nice lighter green to it. And a little bit of brown. Use that same brush. I'm going to start back here. I'm going to start dabbing it in already, just because that's going to add that grassy texture that we want. Alright, to that mixture add some more yellow. Gonna need a bit more on the palette. Rinse off the brush, get that dark off of it. So now when I'm adding in these lighter highlights, I'm going to leave some of it dark up close to these trees here, because that's going to create a shadow effect. Alright, now we're going to add in some flowers. So I'm going to rinse off that brush. Set it aside for a minute here. And we're going to pick up this brush with the coarser hair on it. take some pure yellow and add that in, just dabbing it lightly. Alright, now we're going to touch up with the shoreline. So I'm getting some dark brown, with a hint of black, to make a really dark brown. I'm just going to lightly tap in kind of this darker brown here. And then adding some light brown into that mixture. Do the same thing. And adding some white to that light brown mixture. So there's how to paint Mountain Meadow. If you'd like to follow the whole tutorial, check out the video on my channel. If you're just doing the Meadow, still post in the comments your results. I'd love to see how you incorporated it into your design. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. And we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.